You guys have really done a great job of creating a community where we all feel comfortable to like be open and honest and vulnerable and ask questions and reach out for support when we need it. And so I think that it's been super helpful to me walking this path, knowing I've got people who have my back.
Starting a completely new pathway in nursing, becoming a successful entrepreneur, and having 17 cases as a legal nurse consultant in only half a year. Sounds too good to be true, right? But Kristen here is going to show you that it's not. I'm excited for you to hear her story. Let's dive into it. Kristen, thank you so much for joining me today. I am looking forward to hearing your story because your story might be a little different than some of the ones that others might have heard as they were watching some of the previously recorded testimonials, because you're still kind of just getting into this and getting your feet under you and figuring out, where you want to go with it. So I'm excited for people who might be considering legal nursing to hear what it's like to really just kind of break the ice of it and, do it while you're still working full time in your job, sort of on the side. So I appreciate you joining me.
Yeah, thanks, Randy. I'm super excited to be here.
Well, Kristen, start us out by telling us about your nursing background, kind of where you came from and how you ended up landing on Catalyst. How'd you find us?
Yeah. So I've been a nurse for about 18 years. Graduated nursing school in like 2007. And then I started out in a med-surg float pool in a big hospital. It was a really great experience. I got to learn all the different specialty units, but quickly realized med-surg was not where I wanted to be forever.
Fair.
Yeah. So I moved on to the emergency department, worked there for about 5 years, loved it until I had kids of my own.
Oh,
And I
yeah.
feel like having that first baby just really kind of changed my perspectives on like my career and my career goals. And, it became more about, how can I find that? I know we talk all the time, Randy, about you can't ever find balance in life, but for lack of a better word, like trying to find that family work-life balance was just really challenging, and just even the logistics of it. And so from there, then I did case management inpatient, doing discharge planning for another 4 or 5 years. And that was great. It gave me a good schedule, 9 to 5, less weekends, less holidays and stuff. But I just really lacked that fulfillment, like personal fulfillment in my career that I had had in other, nursing jobs. So from there, then I moved to the outpatient oncology world. I worked in radiation oncology for a few years, and then most recently worked in an outpatient oncology clinic doing like chemotherapy, infusion services, blood products,
Wow.
really anything any oncology patient would need in the outpatient world. And I loved so many aspects of that job, but still just trying to find that family work-life balance that I'm sure so many who are, working nurse moms struggle to find. Even just the logistics of like, my husband is a football coach and has a demanding, crazy schedule certain times of the year.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
the logistics of like drop off and pick up for kids and after school activities. And then I found that I was like missing things too. I was missing the games and missing holidays and missing school field trips and all those sorts of things that I really wanted to do as a mom and be a part of. So I feel like throughout my career, I was just always kind of struggling to find that family work-life balance, looking for something that could give me that while still, helping me to find like fulfillment personally in my career also. So I looked at legal nurse consulting for years, kind of in the back of my mind, but then when I really got serious about it, I can't remember if I found you guys on just like a Google search, or I don't know if it was like a social media, maybe Facebook LNC page or something, but somehow I found myself on one of your workshops.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
Loved what I was hearing, was totally inspired by like you and your story and the Catalyst program. And so I think I found myself in a few conversations with you and Rob, and the rest is history.
Yes, indeed it is. I love how diverse your background is, and how nursing, it really allows us to do so many different things. But I hear that kind of thing all the time. Like, either I found something that was great and challenging and I loved it, but it basically took my whole life away and I had no time with my family. I was so stressed. Or I found something that was, kind of chill at work, and it was It was easy. I could spend more time with my family, but it didn't challenge me, and I didn't feel like I was really moving in my career. And it sounds like you found that balance with legal nurse consulting, which is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm super excited about it.
Now I know, Kristen, you were considering multiple courses when you and I first talked. I remember you were really kind of torn, trying to do your research on different courses. What was it that really made you decide Catalyst is right for me versus some other course out there?
I think it was really just the conversations I had with you and Rob and the feeling that, from those conversations, I loved how clear kind of the path was laid out for us because I had so many just, questions of, can I do this? Do I have what it takes? So I like that. But also I think more than anything, like I think just from those conversations, you guys just seemed so honest and sincere, and I could really tell that you cared about all of us and like our well-being and wanted us to succeed and all of that. So I think that was really what made me choose Catalyst in the end.
Well, that means a lot because that is totally where we come from. We totally
Yeah,
do care about you, and hopefully you've seen that since you
yeah,
have been a part of the community.
for
Uh,
sure.
what what would you say are some of the biggest successes that you've experienced since becoming a part of Catalyst?
Yeah, so I think once I finished going through the program, finished all three of my practice cases, I started subcontracting for other business owners within the Catalyst community. I think it was within like a week or two.
Oh yeah, you got your first subcontract case within a week or so of getting out of the practice cases.
Yeah, exactly. And
Oh,
then I subbed for a while. I did about 10 cases or so. And then I started marketing. I started my own business, started marketing, and I landed my first attorney client within about 4 weeks, I think it was.
nice.
And I've gotten about 7 cases now. And so I'm so excited and can't wait to see, how my business kind of grows and where it goes from here.
That's awesome. Now you said as a subcontractor, you ended up doing like 10 cases or so. I know a lot of legal nurses out there who are trying to make ends meet. They have trouble getting a lot of cases coming their way, even subcontract cases. What kind of time frame was that you got 10 cases, subcontract cases within?
Oh gosh, it was within probably a month and a half, 2 months, like all 10 of those cases.
Oh wow. Okay. So 6 or 8 weeks, you had 10 subcontract cases. They were coming pretty steady.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
awesome. And then you
yeah.
started marketing within 4 weeks. You said you got your first client. And then over the first, what, couple months, you ended up getting 7 more cases just of your own, charging that $150 an hour. Is that right?
Yep, yep.
Wow, that's crazy. It's so good. Sounds like
Yeah.
you're crushing it. What were some of the things that you took from Catalyst that really helped you move the needle the most?
So I think some of the things, like one of the biggest things, like I had mentioned earlier, was really just the way you guys kind of laid out that path so clearly for us. Because I think going into it, one of my greatest challenges was just kind of that feeling of like, I'm stuck, I'm
Mm,
stuck I'm just a nurse. I thought about legal nurse consulting for years, but in the back of my mind, just always kind of thought like, I don't know what I need to know in the legal world to do it. I don't know the first thing about starting a business or growing a business. So it really just helped that you guys kind of had that whole path laid out for us to give us all the knowledge and skills, that we needed to be able to walk that path, make it happen. So I think that was number one. And I think the second thing is just like the community that you guys created is
that's what
really
everybody says. Yeah.
and I love you and Rob.
Right. No, the community, I want the community to overshadow us. It
Yeah,
definitely does.
it totally does. The community is amazing. And I think you guys have done a really great job of creating a community that, we're not just focused in our weekly calls on, the knowledge and everything we need to know to be a legal nurse or the business side of it, but so much of it is about personal growth.
Mm.
Um, I was trying to think back. I'm like, I can remember calls we had that were about like your eulogy and,
Oh yeah. Live for your
yeah, you remember
eulogy. Yeah.
that one? And
Uh-huh.
it was like basically kind of what do you want people to think of you? What's your legacy that you're leaving behind? And so it's so much more than just, being an LNC or growing a business. And you guys have really done a great job of creating a community where we all feel comfortable to like be open and honest and vulnerable and ask questions and reach out for support when we need it. And so I think that it's been super helpful to me walking this path, knowing I've got people, people who have my back.
Yes. I love that. I love it. Yes, and everybody always says the community and the calls, the business accelerator calls, that comes up a lot too. So, yes, that's perfect. And truly, I mean, when you think about it, like I mean, Rob and I, we put forth so much effort to be there and to be your coach, your mentor. But I'm one guy, right? You've got hundreds of other people that can surround you and walk this path with you and support you. I mean, that's so much better than just having one guy trying to be there for everybody. Tell
Yeah.
me, I know you mentioned like some of the challenges you had before Catalyst, and you can expound on those if you'd like, and kind of tell us what has this meant to you outside of your professional life? How has this changed your life personally?
Yeah. So, I think the way that it's changed my life the most is just, I kind of mentioned that just feeling kind of stuck before and feeling
Yeah,
like, I'm just a nurse. I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the skills. I don't have what it takes to start a business or become an LNC. And I think really the thing that I got most out of this program is just it's really given me the confidence I need and opened my eyes to know, and it's really empowering, to know like I do now have the knowledge and the skills and the grit. Don't get me wrong, this was hard. It's a lot of,
right.
sacrifice and hard work that goes into it, but it's totally worth it. And so it's just been really empowering to me to kind of know that I'm not stuck. And I think what's really great about becoming an LNC and starting your own business is it can be whatever you want it to be.
Yeah.
You can like I have a full-time remote job and I've started this LNC business kind of on the side right now, but you can grow it. The sky's the limit. You can grow it and scale it to whatever you want it to be, which is truly empowering also.
That's super cool. I love that. And it's something that we hear quite often is I mean, if I asked you, let me ask it this way, and this is always fun for me to hear. If you how long have you when did you start Catalyst?
It was in August.
August. Oh my gosh, only August, and you've come so far. All right. So if I were to talk to you back in, say, June of last year, would you have ever thought that you'd be sitting here with me right now saying I've had 17 cases under my belt and I'm running a successful LNC business as an entrepreneur?
No way. I mean, we had conversations, I think, in July, and I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I can do it.
Yep. And here you are. You are
Yeah.
the proof that's in the pudding.
Yeah.
I love it. What would if somebody's watching this right now? And by the way, let me say this first. I love that you mentioned the grit. Because sometimes I think people go out there on Google and all these marketing strategies from different people trying to bring you into a program or whatever. And there's these grandiose promises of how easy and simple and you're going to make seven figures and I love that you mentioned, look, this it's all paved out. There's a structure, there's a strategy. You're going to be supported, you're going to be mentored, it's going to be fun, but it's also going to be hard. It's not
Yeah.
given to you, right? I can't give it to you. Nobody can give it to you. And if anybody says, "Hey, just focus on this for a few weeks and you're going to be a successful entrepreneur making six or seven figures," it's not true. And you've seen that firsthand. It took a lot of work on your part. You're the one who's successful. I just created the pathway, but you walked it. So I love that you mentioned that. So if somebody else is watching this right now and they're going, "Gosh, should I be a legal nurse? I'm thinking about it." Maybe they're like Kristen, and I've been thinking about it for years, and I'm not sure what to do. And I'm looking at all these different courses, and it's all confusing. And everybody says they're the best. How do I know? What would you say to someone who's on the cusp right now, considering what they should do with their future?
Yeah. I guess I would say like just do it. I thought about it for years, like I said, and wish I had taken the jump and done it sooner, definitely. Um, and I would say, like do your homework, be well informed, check out the different programs, know what you're getting. But I think, I mean, hands down, like I'm so happy that I chose Catalyst, and joined this community because the community is truly amazing, and the mentorship and the coaching, that we receive and just all of the knowledge and skills. Like I really feel like I've got everything that I need to be successful doing this now. So I'm super happy.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank you for all your kind words.
Yeah.
If people want to find out more about you and your business, what's the best way for them to, where should they go to find out more about you?
Yeah, so I'm on LinkedIn. You can just search my name. My business name is Rombach LNC or Rombach Legal Nurse Consulting. And then I've got a website too. It's www.rombachlnc.com.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, Kristen, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day as a successful entrepreneur to hang out with me and to tell everyone else about your success. It's so encouraging to me. I hope it's inspiring to others who are watching.
I hope so too. Thanks, Randy.